Good morning, students. Welcome to the final week of distance learning. I appreciate all of you guys sticking with me, working hard. Seventh grade math, I congratulate you. You guys had one of the highest participations and performances in math in KIPP, and you guys were a model for a lot of the other classrooms in KIPP, Southern California. Thank you for continuing to extend your learning. This week, we're gonna have a 4-day week. So Monday, you guys gonna have Khan Academy. You guys have 6 activities and 3 videos. It's from Unit 8. We're gonna be reviewing the relationships between different angles. Tuesday is gonna be Prodigy. So we're gonna be practicing skills that you guys learned on Monday, but at your own level. Wednesday is gonna be Khan Academy, but then there's no Prodigy Thursday. One more time, there's no Prodigy on Thursday. You guys are gonna take a mini assessment. There's gonna be a mini quiz on Thursday, and that's gonna be it. And on Friday, you guys don't have any work. So one more time, it is a 4-day week, okay, for school. Now, this is only for math. This does not apply to other classes, okay? Now, keep in mind, on Wednesday, there's gonna be no tutoring, just to kind of finish the week off on a positive, happy note. We're going to be, instead of tutoring, going to be playing a little scavenger hunt game. One more time, we're not going to be having tutoring, but you're still welcome to reach out to me, ask any questions as many times as you want, but I'm not going to be having official Google Hangouts tutoring. Okay, so we're going to come online. I'm going to share a link and we're going to play scavenger hunt. Hopefully you guys enjoy it because I've put some thought into it, and hopefully it's fun. All right, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a great week, and looking forward to touching base with you guys on Wednesday. Bye bye.